I really love this Super Sport, so this video might be a little longer than the rest of them. The car is gorgeous. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. You go to volocars.com where you'll get all the pictures, top to bottom, all the specs and pricing on this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. We also have shipping, we have financing, plenty of ways on our website to contact us. I have 20-something employees and they can help you. Excuse me. We're all here to help you get your dream car. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be putting out a lot of great videos, a whole batch of them again this week. Let's take this one for a spin. I can't wait to tell you about it. For one, it's gorgeous. It's a factory red car, factory white interior with the red accents. It's a real Super Sport, number matched 327 motor. It is beautiful. This car is shiny, straight, smooth. The stainless moldings, I mean, the glass is crystal clear. It's just a nice, nice car. Full of goodies. Has the bow tie mirrors on both sides, door handle guards, dual rear antenna. Look at how all this sparkles. The SS has the machine turned inserts, the tail lights, bumper guards are optional. Everything fits nice. Again, clear glass. Look at the speaker tray in there, is nice and flat. Optional trim here. The original SS hubcaps are really nice. Has Cooper radial tires on it. I just rolled the windows up to show you. Look how nice it fits. It's tinted glass. Chrome frames are beautiful. And look at this. Even with the windows up, the door just shuts like a new car. Beautiful. I like that so much. Windshield looks new. Even the wiper arms are shiny. This hubcap, emblems, all the moldings, all beautiful condition. Again, he has bumper guards. So it has an original 327 250 horse. It does have the 4-barrel, has dual exhaust. There's also power steering, power brakes under here. Everything is cleaned up real nicely. Everything's authentic. Even has the glass washer fluid bottle. It has GM hoses and clamps, spring clamp battery cables. Just a nice, neat, clean, tidy motor compartment. This interior is beautiful. The jambs are real nice, all clean metal. It has original white deluxe seat belts. I don't see white seat belts very often, and they have the Chevy bow tie on the buckle. The chrome around the seats, all the chrome trim everywhere, sparkles inside. So it's just as nice inside the car. Inside the trunk, all clean. I had the mats up. There's no sign of patches or repairs. It has a nice, durable, spatter finish paint. That's a reproduction Silvertown spare, never been used. Has the complete jack assembly. Trunk light works. Everything's painted nice. Nice weather strip. Reproduction floor mats, has a padded dash, has a tissue dispenser, has the Chevrolet vanity mirror on the visor. The headliner is nice and white. All the interior lights work, even at the back of the console. Inside the glove box, inside the console are clean. The chrome horn ring sparkles. It's just super, super nice. Let me start it up for you. And I got a story to share with you too in a minute. Got the owner's manual in the glove box. Even the light in the glove box works. So I bought this car in Kentucky. Was trailering at home. It was a long day. I was about 2 hours from home, and a tire blows out on the trailer that I had this on. So I changed the spare tire on the trailer. I'm about an hour, hour and a half from home. 2 more tires on the trailer blow out. I don't have any more spares. What we ended up doing, we took this off the trailer. My son drove the truck and trailer home, limped it home with just 2 tires instead of 4. And I'm thinking, great, it's a long day. I'm tired. I'm getting in a car I don't even know. I thought the adventure was just getting started. Getting in an old car, driving home. The car drove beautifully. That's when I really fell in love with the car. Drove it home in the dark. The lights worked. Ran beautifully. Stopped nice. You know, sitting there at the stoplights, it idled smooth, it accelerated nicely. So not only does this car look like a beauty, but it really ran and drove. I drove it an hour and a half at night, not knowing the car, and it was fantastic. I liked it so much that when we got back here to Volo, instead of hopping in my new car and going home, I continued. I went home with this. Look how nice and square the hood fits. So this is a really nice car. I keep saying it. I believe it. I'm enthused about this one. Gorgeous colors. I mean, it's just striking, that red and white. I wish all of our cars were as nice as this one. So go to volocars.com. If you miss this, you're going to miss a great car. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have more videos coming. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.